you're 3D printing, you're probably going to finish your parts out. I printed this with just a white PLA, and I went back and actually painted this. One good tool for painting is airbrushing. The problem with airbrushing, though, is a lot of times you can have toxic fumes, definitely if you're using like enamel paints, definitely lacquer paints. So a lot of people set up exhaust systems for their paint booths. But there's a lot of controversy, definitely on YouTube, where I've heard people talk about where the exhaust systems are fine, they're perfectly okay, and then I've heard about people burning the garages down. So, and the reason why that is the toxic fumes that it creates are also flammable, and when you're using an electric motor, there is a possibility for a spark, and then, of course, ignition, and you have a nice fire going. So, the way these are designed normally is you have an electric motor mounted here, your fan shroud, and then that's your duct system. And that's the problem, is because these fumes are running through this system, and then you have an electric motor right here. So the way I've tried to combat this is by creating a new system with 3D printing. So let's move this over to the side. Now I've taken the motor and fan out of this. So if you look at these doors right here, if I open this up, you can see a fan shroud. And this fan shroud is actually from this exhaust fan. And what I've done is I've 3D printed a new duct system here for it to work with. This bracket is what holds this motor, and this motor is completely separate from the air system, as you see here in this duct system. So what happens is the exhaust runs through here without running through any motor, and it comes through up this porthole at the top here. Now with the porthole, I've also 3D printed this shroud as well, where I can mount this in the window right here, going throughout, and you've got a nice exhaust system without risking the chance of a spark happening right where you have a lot of fumes. So hopefully this will be a good option. I will put some files in the description for you to be able to upload if you want to try to reprint this. Now it is printed in 4 different parts here. So we've got this part, it prints in this orientation. We've got this stand here that you have to print, and then we have this circular shape here, and then this piece that I actually glued on afterwards, just because of 3D print surface area. So hopefully maybe this will give you guys a good option and create something that's a lot safer. And leave your comments, tell me what you think about this system, if you think that this is a safe option, and subscribe. Thank you.